Kis Kis ko Pyaar Karoon to movie. Kis Kis ko Pyaar Karoon 2 is a comedy film that continues the funny journey of Karan, a kind but unlucky man who always gets trapped in problems because of love and misunderstandings. After the chaos of his first marriages, Karan decides to live a simple and honest life. He promises himself that he will never lie again and will stay away from complicated relationships. Karan starts working with his old friend Deepak and tries to rebuild his life. Everything seems peaceful until he meets 3 very different women at different times. One is Mira, a smart and confident businesswoman who likes Karan's honesty. The second is Ria, a cheerful and emotional girl who believes in true love and destiny. The third is Ananya, a calm and intelligent doctor who helps Karan during a difficult moment. Without realizing it, Karan becomes emotionally connected to all 3 women. Trouble begins when misunderstandings make each woman believe that Karan is fully committed to her. Karan tries hard to tell the truth, but every situation turns worse because of bad timing and confusion. His simple lies to protect feelings slowly grow into big problems. Karan's life becomes a roller coaster of funny situations, hiding, running, and explaining himself again and again. Things get more complicated when families get involved and wedding plans start at the same time. Karan struggles to manage everything while feeling guilty for hurting anyone. In the climax, all truths come out in a dramatic but humorous way. Karan finally accepts his mistakes and apologizes honestly. In the end, lessons about love, honesty, and responsibility are learned, and Karan chooses a path that brings peace, laughter, and a fresh start in life. Moral of Kis Kis ko Pyaar Karoon 2. The moral of the movie is that honesty is the foundation of true love and peace in life. Small lies told to avoid problems only create bigger troubles later. The story teaches that taking responsibility for your actions, respecting others' feelings, and speaking the truth at the right time can save relationships and self-respect. Love should be based on clarity, not confusion. And real happiness comes from being honest with yourself and others. The end.